I've been obsessed with finding natural ways to pamper my skin, and this DIY body butter kit is pure golden magic in a jar. Hey, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and today I'm showing you how to make your very own golden glow body butter from our DIY body butter kit. It's a rich, radiant moisturizer that melts into your skin and leaves behind a soft shimmer and a serene scent of good vibes and Amyris Essential Oils. I've already made my ice bath. We are going to use this in the cooling process of our body butter. So then you want to set this aside. Then in a small bowl, I am going to mix 2 teaspoons of good vibes, 3/4 teaspoons of Amyris, and 1.5 teaspoons of Geogard ECT, and 1/4 teaspoon of yellow gold Mica. Give it a good stir, then set it aside. This is our fragrant golden finishing touch. Next up, the water phase. In a large heat safe container, combine 2¼ cup of distilled water and 1/4 cup of vegetable glycerin. Stir well and set this aside. In another large heat-safe container, add 1/4 cup of BTMS 50, 1 cup of almond oil, 1/4 cup of shea butter, and 2 tablespoons of cetyl alcohol. This is our oil phase. Using a microwave or double boiler, keep both phases at about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Now you're gonna blend the water mixture with an immersion blender. Keep blending while you slowly pour the oil phase into the water phase. Blend for 1 to 2 minutes until it turns creamy. Then you're going to set the container into your ice bath and stir occasionally as it cools. When it is below 120 degrees, add your essential oil mixture we prepared earlier and stir thoroughly. Spoon your body butter into 4 8-ounce amber jars. Let it cool and firm up completely before adding the lids. Once firm, seal, label, and store in a cool place. To use, massage a small amount onto clean, dry skin, especially after showers or anytime you want a glow up. A little goes a long way. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, this texture is very silky. My skin feels hydrated but not greasy. And the scent, it's like a mini spa moment right at home. And it like absorbs right into your skin. I love how the golden shimmer catches the light. It's subtle, but it makes you feel radiant. Pretty cool, right? You just made your own golden glow body butter, and that's exactly what I love about Simply Earth's DIY body butter kit. This kit will help you to create luxurious natural body butters at home. The almond oil, shea butter, BTMS 50, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, golden mica, and more. It's perfect if you love to DIY but want zero commitment. Just grab one kit, follow the simple recipe card, and enjoy crafting natural products that feel good and do good. If this recipe inspired you, try it for yourself. The body butter kit is available now at simplyearth.com, and it's just one of many easy, all-natural DIY recipes you can create at home. When you make yours, don't forget to share it. Post your creation with hashtag I made this and tag From Simply Earth. You could win a $100 gift card and get featured. For more empowering, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and discover a new way to make natural living fun and affordable. See you in the next video.